Microfiber pads are popular amongst detailers for their versatility. Lake Country's product line is a result of years of testing and adjusting to create the best microfiber pads on the market. Our dedicated product development team wouldn't have it any other way. In fact, Lake Country Manufacturing has the only 3-pad microfiber system that uses specific blends of microfiber for each pad. Our unique pad lineup gives you perfect results every time. By using proprietary blends of microfiber and special bonding materials, we engineered our Lake Country pads to be extremely durable and last longer than any others. Our innovative blend of materials provide an amazing finishing ability for a haze-free luster. Each of our microfiber pads offer a unique blend paired with an appropriate foam interface to meet your detailing needs. They also have minimal overhang for precise polishing and even pressure. Our microfiber cutting pad with blue foam interface works well on DA polishers with a 1-inch, 2-inch, 3-inch, 5-inch, or even 6-inch backing plate. Detailers really love our light cutting microfiber pad with orange foam interface. We call it our one-step pad. The Ultra Plush microfiber works great for a variety of applications, including light cutting, one-step polishing, and high volume detailing. The black microfiber pad with black foam interface is designed for finish polishing. It provides an amazing haze-free finish on all dark colors, including black. The 1.5-inch and 2.25-inch Lake Country mini microfiber pads are designed for use on mini long throw polishers and micro polishers. You can find the right Lake Country microfiber pad for your needs on our website. Lake Country Manufacturing. Innovation to make life easier.